Hi, I'm with Carmichael Engineering. Carmichael's a national heating, air conditioning, refrigeration, service maintenance, and construction design build company. After 24 years in our old space, we had outgrown it, and it ultimately came down to this. If we're going to help our customers build smart buildings, we should build a smart building ourselves. Our platform was operational net zero. The concept is very simple. Produce as much green energy as you use. So we were looking for a lot of capacity in a relatively small footprint. The LG inverter reversible chillers fit that perfectly.
Operational net zero is extremely important to Carmichael Engineering. Our clients are mandating innovative solutions to decarbonize and to electrify our built environment. The LG Inverter Scroll Chiller is innovative in that it can adjust its capacity based on the building demands and needs, which can be tracked and monitored and optimized as more data is exported. Understanding how the LG Inverter Scroll Chiller contributes to the overall performance and energy consumption of the building is critical to understand how we can interrogate the data to continually optimize and decarbonize our footprint.
Compact size, low noise, high energy efficiency, and extended operating range for what we were designing around, all the way to minus 30 degrees Celsius. All those things combined were the reasons we ultimately chose LG. We're trying to balance producing energy and not consuming energy.
The new LG units are very efficient. It does have a glycol loop and an air-to-water system where the actual condensers get rid of the heat outside or pick up the heat from outside. This is as close to a zero building as you can get. The LG support was awesome on this. The installation was very simple. The units went on the roof real easy. Just had to pipe them in and it works awesome.
The Carmichael project itself was our first inverter scroll chiller to be installed in Canada. It is the first project where the inverter scroll chiller is being optimized for the operational net zero. Inverter technology itself is very innovative. Inverter allows the compressor to modulate its frequency based on the given load at the time. LG Inverter Scroll Chiller is a modular system. The single frame unit can go up from 17 tons up to 60 tons. However, you can combine 5 inverter scroll chillers together to make up 300 tons. And this capability allows designers, the engineers to utilize this on the various applications that they have. There's a lot of technologies that allow it to go down to minus 30 C, such as a vapor injection technology built into the compressor. It is suitable for a Canadian market that requires heating operation at low ambient temperature.
This is overall part of our decarbonization and electrification strategy, which we have employed for decades, but it's really aligning now with Canada-focused applications and is a big driving force. Canada is a key country for the overall global initiatives that LG has undertaken for their solutions, and we expect this line to keep on growing and will be more ubiquitous in the market in the years and decades to come.
Working with LG was great. For us as designers, engineers, builders, constructors, we're looking for information. It has to be concise and it has to be quick. And we got all that working with David Kim and the team at LG.
Achieving operational net zero is extremely important to the Carmichael family to help demonstrate to the industry that decarbonization and electrification is possible. As we progress through the journey of electrification and decarbonization, this should play a role to help others understand what's possible.
Other companies should be switching to net zero. As the decarbonization initiatives expand, it's only going to grow for all companies. So if they're not, I think they're frankly going to be left behind.
The world is changing. We've been selling this ideology to our clients for years now. And when it came to building a building, we decided it was time for us to put our money where our mouth was. Build out what we believe the future should be. LG reversible inverter chillers, they fit the bill perfect.